Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change screen resolution on PS5 like 4K, 400p and 120Hz. So first method is from the PS5 home screen you need to navigate to the top right corner and select the gear icon to open setting. Then after you need to scroll down the list and select screen and video option. In the left hand panel select video output option. By default, PS5 tries to guess your monitor's capabilities, which can sometimes result in blurry or downscale image. So under the video output menu, select resolution option. By default, it will be set to automatic. Change this manually, selecting your display native resolution. Select to 2160p if you playing on 4K TV or monitor. Select 140 pixel if you are playing on Quad HD or 2K gaming monitor. Select 1080p if you are playing on a standard Full HD display. Your screen will flash back for a brief second as the console switch video modes. If you are selected 140 pixel and you want to make sure your gaming monitor is actually displaying the true uncompressed signal rather than the upper scale 1080p stream, scroll down a bit in the same menu and select test 140p pixel output. Follow the on-screen prompts. The PS5 will test various refresh rates like 16Hz and 120Hz at 440 pixel resolution. If your monitor passes, the console will look in this optimal layout. And you can unlock 120Hz mode for high frame rate gaming. Changing a resolution gives you a crispy picture, but unlocking 120 makes your gameplay look incredibly smooth in fast-paced shooters like Call of Duty or Fortnite. So in the video output menu, scroll down to enable 120 output. Switch this setting from off to automatic. So crucial hardware note this is to run games at 4K resolution at 120Hz. Your monitor must have HDMI 2.1 port and you must use the high-speed HDMI cable that came in the PS5 box. The standard HDMI 2.0 can only handle 104,040 pixel at 120Hz or 4K at 60Hz. And also you can adjust HDR and performance mode setting to make sure games don't automatically downgrade or your resolution when you boot them up. Configure your system performance priorities. So first you need to go back to the main setting menu and select saved data and game app setting. On the left side select game presets. Click on performance mode or resolution mode. Choose resolution mode if you want PS5 to prioritize keeping your image strictly at 4K. Choose your performance mode if you want to ensure the console pushes the 120 frame rate target. So I hope you get understand about this video. Thank you very much.